Guys, just look at the amazing view that we had for our lunch. Absolutely amazing. Now we are heading for food spa, and probably after that we are going to go and look a little bit on gold and also announce the community about our thoughts for next week. Good morning, this is the start of a new vlog. I'm so excited about this one. Currently it's a Saturday and we currently moved in a new house. It's absolutely mesmerizing in here. We chilled for around 3-4 days and we got accustomed to the place overall. Let me show you how it looks like just for a little bit. This is the pool area, mostly open space. Very nice living area. My boyfriend in the back is making sure that all the copy traders are ready for Monday. We've been having a lot of requests to open copy trading programs, which we did. It's a lot of work. We opened a high risk, a mid risk, and also a low risk copy trader. Just having a coffee right now. It's very close to the beach side. Let me take you inside too a bit. Such a mess. Usually, wherever I go, I have to admit I'm not that tidy. That's okay. As I said, I'm still mesmerized by this view. I absolutely love places that have a good view. I simply get more inspired in whatever I'm doing when it comes to trading, when it comes to my community, because a lot of the times I have to admit the fact that I do not have a lot of free time. I have to work a lot because I decided to open a trading community, and the trading community is not the same thing as trading for yourself. So of course I have to make sure that the place where I'm staying is absolutely amazing, so I feel good while working. Whiteboard for ideas, also for strategies, trading, risk management, whatever you want to suggest inside FXA trading. Whereas for the trading itself, you know me, a lot of times I just prefer to trade solely on my phone, or let's say with the laptop setup. I'm thinking of buying a computer setup too, and I'm going to show it to you, but until then I guess that everything is already great. I've been traveling for the last 3 years, so I got used to working mostly on my laptop and on my phone, whereas in the past I used to have a very crazy setup. It's not needed anymore, but let's see. If I settle in and I stop traveling, of course, if you have a base, it will be nice to have a setup as well. Monday, it's a new trading week. We're just heading to the hospital. Good morning.
Good morning.
Finally, we arrived back home. We've been driving the whole day. We were inside the clinic. Don't worry, it was simply a skin checkup. Everything went great. I'm just admiring the view a little bit. Since I didn't live here for a really long time, we moved recently, a couple of days ago. I'm still getting used to this beautiful environment, the birds singing around me. Like, it's a really relaxed environment to be in. Usually I was living in big cities with high rise. I really love the condos in Asia. If you're living in Asia, you know what I'm talking about. The rush, a lot of people, a lot of lights. I like that kind of lifestyle, but I decided after a while that I want to move back to the island side. I want to feel a little bit more relaxed and to breathe some fresh air, because the big cities have a lot of pollution, so of course I didn't want that. And right now I will continue with the copy trading system that we built in FXA. We are offering low, mid and high risk copy trading. I'm going to send setups in the group. I'm going to trade together with the team and see exactly what's happening with gold. I sent an outlook recently, so let me show you exactly how the chart looks like at the moment and what trades we can get. Alright guys, so this is the situation currently with gold. We have it on the TV as well. My boyfriend is preparing something, I don't know exactly what. And I will go quickly on 4 hours. If you don't follow me on Instagram, You should, because I'm posting those outlooks on a weekly basis and I'm posting them in real time instead of watching them on YouTube. Let's remove quickly the drawings from last week. Okay, so at the moment this was the area that gave us a bullish reaction that stopped somewhere around here. I believe that this supply chain is going to hold. I also believe that we might see gold pushing a little bit lower in the future in this zone and even break this low to the downside. This is my bias for this week at the moment. And then probably after doing so, after grabbing some liquidity over here, most likely it will switch to bullish momentum. Not sure yet, I cannot predict it. I see some liquidity over here. I see this imbalance area that needs to be filled. I see some equals that need to be taken as well when it comes to external liquidity, meaning that this is going to be internal and this is going to be external for a possible bullish movement. But until then, let's see how the first candles of this week will develop. I will update you. Alright, we just finished some videos for the community. Took a while. I hope that you guys will understand and those videos will make it more profitable because we're working very hard on them. And now I think that we're gonna go for a quick night ride because we've been inside the house for way too long. I have absolutely no idea how to ride a bike. Maybe in the future I will learn, but for now I'm just gonna drive with Lior because this thing seems way too complicated than a car for me. Okay, time for my passenger princess moment.
Riding to the sunset.
Okay, sir.
Ready, man? Where do you live? Where do you go? Look at that dog. There's a lot of street dogs in Thailand and we're gonna feed them all, hopefully. God bless them. There's also a buffalo that showers here every single night. Let's see if we can catch him during action. Sometimes he parties, sometimes he showers. Let's see what he's up to right now, if we can see him. Usually he's here, right, baby?
Yeah.
Or
No buffalo tonight.
or maybe here. I smell something cooking. I think they cooked the buffalo, guys, so it's buffalo wings now.
Beautiful night walk.
They have Balkan kids in 7-Eleven Thailand. Look at that, guys.
And this is exactly what we're gonna take.
We love to eat ingredients. We don't like meals. We like ingredients. Just give me separate ingredients.
Absolutely. Hey, take that. Why are you putting it back? We're eating that.
My girl's favorite thing in the world is
Cremwurst.
cremwurst.
But it's not kosher.
Oh, this is
This is a durian flavored sunflower seed.
It's your favorite fruit, right, baby?
And this one is crying. Why is it crying? What are we buying today?
Random pick. Chat, you pick. Stop my hand. A green tea, white strawberry.
Is it no sugar or with sugar?
I don't know. Let's get it because you stopped my hand.
Okay.
I'm not gonna get it actually.
It's sugary, right? Yeah. Better not eat anything if it's with sugar.